In the ancient era of the main temple, 1,000 years between 500 BC and AD 500, a remarkable phenomenon unfolded. A well-trained army of unprecedented vastness emerged, led by the Protean president. The wealth of the empire was immense, and under the emperor's command, tens of millions of people thrived. This period was marked by incredible technological advancements. It all began slowly but steadily. The main temple era was a time of greatness where power, wealth, and innovation converged. Join me as we explore this fascinating chapter in history. Let's dive in.
ขอบคุณที่รับชมกดไลค์กดติดตามกดแชร์ด้วยนะคะ